Feeling tired all the time? Cannot focus at work? Low on energy? These things mess with your mood, your job, and your relationships. Good sleep is key for men. It is how you stay strong, think clearly, and keep your hormones balanced. What if there was an easy fix? Something you can do every night. It is about how you use screens in the evening. We want you to sleep better, feel more alive, and stop feeling drained. It all comes down to blue light. Studies show something big. Do not look at blue light screens for 90 minutes before bed. This means your phone, tablet, computer. Doing this seriously boosts your deep sleep. We are not just talking about more hours in bed. We mean better sleep. Deep sleep is when your body truly repairs itself. It fixes cells, rebuilds you physically, sharpens your mind, and calms your emotions. But blue light at night, it fools your brain. Your brain thinks it is daytime. This stops your body from making melatonin, the hormone that tells you it is time to sleep. No melatonin, your sleep gets messed up. You get less deep sleep. You wake up feeling like you did not sleep at all. Doctors see this all the time. Using screens at night cuts your sleep, like 50 minutes less sleep every week. Plus, you are 33% more likely to have bad sleep overall. If you are always tired, cannot focus, or just feel blah, bad sleep is a huge part of it, and you can change it. Now for men, this is really important. Your sleep directly impacts your testosterone levels. No joke. Bad sleep, less testosterone. It does not matter your age or weight. Every hour of lost sleep can lower your testosterone. That hormone does so much for you. It gives you energy, builds muscle, lifts your mood, strengthens your bones, and boosts your drive. So if you feel sluggish or just not yourself, fixing your sleep can seriously help. Now let us be clear, avoiding blue light definitely improves sleep, and good sleep helps your testosterone. But we are not saying avoiding blue light alone instantly rockets your testosterone. It is a chain reaction. You ditch the blue light, your body makes melatonin, your sleep gets deep and awesome. That awesome sleep then helps your body make healthy testosterone naturally. Think of it as a long-term investment in your health, not a quick fix. So what do? Simple. Stop using any blue light screens 90 minutes before you plan to sleep. That means your phone, tablet, computer, TV, turn them off. This gives your body time. It lets your melatonin kick in. It tells your brain, hey, it is night. This small change can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Instead of staring at a screen, try something else. Read a real book. Listen to a podcast or some chill music. Stretch, meditate, talk to someone without your phone out, or write in a journal. Just stick to that 90-minute rule. It is an investment in your energy, your health, your whole life. Better sleep means you start each day ready for anything. More energy, clearer mind. This easy tip can give you amazing sleep, more get up and go, a better mood, and helps your hormones. Take control of your evenings. Get that real rest back. Now, one more thing, this info is for you to learn. If you are always super tired, cannot sleep, or think your hormones are off, see a doctor. They can give you personal advice. Your health matters. Start tonight. This video is brought to you by Global Men's Wellness, your 24/7 AI health expert. Get on-demand, concierge-level answers in seconds, not weeks, without the cost, the wait, or the awkward conversations associated with traditional medical visits. Take control of your health anytime, anywhere. Visit Global Men's Wellness.